Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with another entry. Even though this is like February 6th or 7th, this did come in January, if you can see that, the 30th. So they did make it in before the 31st. But thank you to my lovely PO. I did get it on the 2nd of February. But the video, I know it's going to be a couple days late because of my schedule. So I'm going to do the drawing on the 15th. So stay tuned for the drawing. She's got it nicely wrapped in all this padded bubble wrap, which I gotta pop one or two. I mean, I love that. I know it's a shame. Sorry if I fit it in the body, but I like to pop bubble wrap. I'm that type of girl. So anyway, we see a card right here with my name on it. So let's dive right on in. This is pretty. It says thanks. Look at that pretty. Nice pretty card. So this is Justine Santiago. And that's her YouTube channel as well. She says, "Dear Dawn, happy belated birthday and many blessed more. I'm fairly new to YouTube and this is only my second challenge that I've had the opportunity to enter." Well, great, thank you. I'm not connected to any social media except YouTube, and I have not uploaded any videos. Maybe someday soon. All right, we're going to encourage you, because the previous video before was one of them. Martha hadn't done any, and I encouraged her. She got up there and she's doing great on her channel. Love watching your videos. Thank you for the opportunity. Be blessed, Justine Santiago. Thank you so much for participating. And you got everything in on time, even though, you know, my post office guys, sometimes they hold things. But we got it. Alright, I'm trying to get this over my finger. Okay, there we go. I'm so excited about all these ATCs that I have gotten. So this one says, "Glamorous, living my best life, and lady boss." And you can see the pencil heads right there. I need those pencils in my life. Thank you so much. That is so cute. And then, so we're going to open that one last. Oh, look at that. We go to the next card. How did you get that in there? Did you? Oh, you sealed it with your I was trying to see if it. Oh, here it is. God, girl, so wait a minute, it's sealed. I didn't even see the bottom piece. So here's my birthday card. So of course you get, you know, for being in on time, and the birthday card and the entry stuff. Very pretty, nicely done. I have this embossing folder. I love how you did this touch. I'm going to steal it. Great idea. So this is the card. You see the regular card in the front. She did emboss the back flap, if you can see that. And then she elevated this card by actually putting the word happy over top of the word happy that's embossed here, and that says birthday, and she did that there. And the same thing with the present right there. Smart, creative idea. So you need to get that YT channel up. Yes, you do. And she left it blank inside. And look at this. It says darling, glamorous, gorgeous, beautiful. Love that. What paper is that? I don't think I've seen that paper, but I like that. So she's got that little flap in there. Is that nice? Nice card maker. So you might need to come on over to the YT and make some. So this is her iCAD. If I can get this thing open. You know, when you don't have your nails, cut my nails off before. Loving it. All right. Give thanks and celebrate your blessing. That is so pretty. You can see the red and black background paper, and then that beautiful gold shimmer. Look at that nice embossing. And then it's also ticket punched on the corners with some flat black beads. Beautiful. Love it. Thank you so much. Now look at this gorgeous tag. Wow. Loving everything. And I think you're the last entry. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Happy birthday. And she's offset the happy birthday off just a little bit so you can see the gold and the white. And it's on this red. I don't know if you can see it on the... I know you can see the metallic part of it, but it's also hieroglyphic. Not hieroglyphic. Lord, that's Egyptian writing. Holographic. Whew, I need to eat. I have been running all day long. Haven't eaten. So this is that beautiful die. She's got a layer so you can see the butterfly die in her dress. Pretty, pretty. Love that tag. And the tag does count as one of the extra ways that you can win entries as well. So it's the birthday card and the ATC and the iCAD and getting everything in on time. All of those kind of, I said points, but they're really entries. And so last but not least, let's dive right on in to this MD memory deck. Loving everything, Justine. Oh, look at this. Wow, so pretty. So she used that memory deck die that I've seen on AliExpress. Then she's got that shoe, and she's got the black over top of the red offset. She's got the inset of the silver here, and look at this dress, pleated, and the bustier and the bling on it. Oh, up my alley. Loving it, loving it, loving it. And she's got her name on the back. So again, I'm going to have her information in the box below for you to check out, so make sure you check that out. Thank you so much. You did a beautiful job, and I believe you're the last entry for it, unless somebody's coming in after date or whatever, but unless the postmaster is holding something else, postman. But if not, I think you're the last entry. But I'm going to have the drawing on the 15th. So I want to tell everybody thank you so much, so much. I have loved everything. Beautiful, beautiful stuff that everybody has sent in. So you guys, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.